southwest of Brigham City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated and mesonet confirmed. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ogden, Brigham City, Tremonton, Roy, Clinton, North Ogden, South Ogden, Washington Terrace, Riverdale, Hooper, Cary, Willard, Marriott Slaterville, Bear River City, Greene, Weber State University, South Willard, Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway, West Haven and Pleasant View. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 at 3-mile markers 339 and 380. Interstate 84 between mile markers 42 and 82. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If on near Great Salt Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder, Davis,